are you doing out of bed? Wasn't Stacy taking care of you?
Is this what you want?
Suffer the consequences.
Recline yourself, resign yourself, you're through. Lover, when you're near me, and I hear you. Recline yourself, resign yourself.
This is the perfect time to panic!
Alright, I'll have a slice.